How to add pictures on GoDaddy website builder. Want to make your website more visually appealing? Adding images is a great way to grab attention and enhance your content. Here's how you can do it in just a few steps. First, log into your GoDaddy account and open your website builder. Right now, here I already have logged into my account and I'm on the dashboard. And once you're in the dashboard, you can see this type of interface, and on the left hand side, there's a list of options. From them, simply tap on this website over here, and then go to edit website. This is just between the website link and a publish site button. Simply tap on it. That will take us to the editor section or a website builder. And once we're in the editor, we can see a plus button on the screen or on the website, and this is what we need in order to add our images. Simply tap on this. We also call this add a section. Tap on this. That will open up you this sidebar. Now on the sidebar, you can see a list of options over here. What we need right now is image or gallery. Simply tap on it, and under image and gallery, there you can see two options: logos and badges, and photo gallery. As we're going to add a simple image for the website, we will be using photo gallery right over here. However, if you aim to add a badges or the logos, you can use the first option, that is this one. As I said earlier, we are going to upload a photo. For that, we are going to use this one. Simply tap on this. After tapping on that, that will open up UN images over here. You can see them over here. So these are the images that you can add to the website. I like this one, so let's add this up. For that, tap on this add button over here, and that will add the section to your website. And it's done, and you can see the images over here which you can slide. And if you want to customize this, you can do it from here. And on the background section, you can change the background. On the themes, you can change the font and buttons over here too. Let's go back again. Let me show others too. And you can even change the title from here. This for the image display, you can either keep it same height or same width over from here. So these photos were given by the website. And if you want to add one, simply tap on this add button over here, and you will be taken to the site where you can drop your images from the computer, or you can also import it from iStock and social media and Instagram too. Let's sit back. And once you're happy with it, you can simply tap on publish over here and get published to your website. Let me show you publishing too. Let's view the site, and this is how it looks like. That's it. Your website now has a stunning images to make it more engaging. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.